What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I have two typewriters and this is one of them. This is a Smith Corona typewriter. It is part of the Speedline series and this model was made from 1939 to 1948. Here is where you open it so you can install the ribbon. This company was founded in 1886 by four brothers. You can see that the ribbon has the company name on it. In the 70s, electronic calculators came out, and then in the 80s, word processing came out, so the typewriter business pretty much collapsed after that. This is what the back looks like, and then this is underneath. There's a lot going on there. I'm not a typewriter expert, so I don't know what a lot of these keys do. There's not a key for the number 1, so I'm assuming it's the letter I. In the next clip, I'm going to type out some stuff so you guys can hear the bell. Some of the keys are gonna get stuck, so just bear with me. And as I mentioned, I do have another typewriter. It's like a greenish color, so I'll do a video on that one as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and of course, until next time.